Cabin timers searching for Upper Peninsula lodging near Pictured Rocks will find a true lake-to-trail base near Munising. 16 Lake Lodge sits on quiet 16-mile lake, minutes from sandstone cliffs, boat tours, and Hiawatha National Forest. The setting is peaceful. The water is steps away. Days shift from sunrise paddles to nights by the fire. Inside, the lodge offers room to gather, a full kitchen, and a relaxed layout for families and friends. Outside, the scene steals the show. Morning coffee by the water, midday fishing or kayaking, golden hour loons calling across the lake. Fall brings bold color. Winter brings nearby snowmobile trails and ski days. Spring swells the waterfalls. Cabin timers get the best of every season with easy drives to Miners Castle, Miners Falls, Sandpoint Beach, and Grand Island. Booking is simple and smarter. Guests book direct with the owner, Kevin, to save on travel site fees every time they rent 16 Lake Lodge. They can find a property and more on rentmichigancabins.com. Enjoy Upper Peninsula lodging near Pictured Rocks. Now's the time to browse the growing selection of cabins, cottages, lodges, and homes and send an inquiry.